Imagine driving down the road with your car running perfectly smooth, yet that annoying yellow check engine light is staring you in the face because of a code P0031. This specific error is telling us that your Bank 1 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor heater control circuit has a low voltage signal, which basically means the internal heating element of your primary air-to-fuel ratio sensor isn't getting the warmth it needs to function correctly, you see. Your engine needs to know exactly how much oxygen is in the exhaust to adjust the fuel mixture. But these sensors are actually quite picky and only work accurately when they are extremely hot. To get them up to temperature quickly after you start the car, the manufacturer builds a tiny electric heater right into the sensor. When the PICM or the EYSIM detects that the resistance in this heater circuit has dropped too low, usually below 0.8 amps, it triggers this code. Now, you probably won't feel a difference in how the car drives, but your fuel economy is definitely taking a hit because the computer is stuck guessing the right mix. To fix this, you should first peek at the wiring in the connector to make sure nothing is frayed or melted near the hot exhaust pipes. If the wires look good, grab your DVX-UAM and check for 12 volts at the heater feed with the sensor unplugged. You should also check the ground circuit for continuity and measure the resistance of the heater on the sensor itself. If those readings don't match your service manual, the sensor has likely failed internally. I always suggest sticking with an original equipment manufacturer sensor, because aftermarket ones can be a bit hit or miss with these sensitive heater circuits. It is also worth checking if your car is still under the federal emissions warranty before you spend your own money, as this part might be covered for free by the dealer. Take care of it soon so your engine can get back to running as efficiently as possible.